So we will see two reports in HCM module. So the requirement is, guys, we need to get the employee photo. So we need to get the employee photo or image. So you may ask question why we have to get the employee photo or image from the report. So let's consider the example. Whenever employee hide, we need to send ID card to employee ID card to employee ID card to employee email. So we need to get the employee photo or image. So whenever employee hide, okay, so we need to send the employee ID card to employee email. So employee ID card contains what, guys? Employee image or not? Employee ID card contains a photo. Employee ID card contains employee image or photo. So first we have to get the photo, right? So then only we'll send the ID card, right? So where the employee photos will be there. So how to get the HCM in HCM model, how to get the employee photo and person name. So the requirement is we need to display person number, display name, person image. So we need to get this three: person number, display name, and person image. Person number, display name, and person image. Person or worker all are same. Person or worker name all are same. Okay. So requirement clear or not, guys? So we'll see. First we'll see the Dev 89. Start Dev 89. Dev.89. So in the Dev 89 instance, go to the my client group. So as usual, guys, right, front end functional consultant will show some record, right? So based on that only we'll create the report, right? So here also I am creating one person record, hire an employee. Right to fill vacant position. Legal employer. Use one legal entity. Take hmm? Street one. Next step. First, I will show you one person how to get the employee image. Then you will understand other persons also. Business unit name. Click on next. Save. Submit. Submit. So now User 1 and to verify the person credited or not, where we need to check. To verify the person credited or not, where we need to check. Go to the my client group, person management. So you check here user 1. User 2, user 1, it is created, right? Go to person management. User 2, search. Okay. So the person has been created here. So after you check here, this is the person. So this is the person information. This is the person information. And this person information, there is no photo right here. If you look at the top right corner, top left corner, you will not see any photo right here. And this is the person information. First, we will see how to get the person information. How to get the person information? Which table the person information will store? So we have checked the person information with user table. So person information not only will store into user table per underscore user table. Person information will store into person tables. There is a separate person tables will be there. So those tables we will see. First table, the main table for the persons is per underscore per all people underscore. Guys, once again I am telling you, person, employee or worker all are same. Per all people if table. Will verify the per all people if table this person credited or not. So where to verify? Where to verify the person credited or not? Browse catalog. Create data model. Here. Person info. HCM. So what we will do, this is the person ID effective started effective end date, start date, start date. So we have only identification number is person number available. So in this table, we have only person number available. Like this. You write like this, select person number. PAPF dot person number. PAPF dot person number. Okay. But what is our person number? Go to my client group, person management. User one. So this is the person number. So now you try like this, where person underscore number equal to click. So person information got here, and we got the person ID also. Person ID also. Okay. So you have to keep like this, guys. First, you have to write the query for one record. First, you have to write the query for one record. So if you are confident for one record, then you will do other records also. This is the person ID. Person ID. Person number. Person number you can get from here. Like that, you have to, while you develop the report, right, you have to keep the values like this, so that you will get understanding. So that you will get understanding. Person. And what else we need to get is display name. Display name. Display name. Where we will get display name or person name. Display name or person name. Where we will get. So again, guys, you know, right? Table names where we will get from OER, right? Fusion Apps OER. We'll get the table names from the Fusion Apps OER. But person name you all know, right? Where we will get. Per underscore. Person underscore. Names underscore. Per person names underscore. So select per person names here. Where person underscore ID. So we got the person ID already, right? Take the person ID. Person. Mention it. So now if you look at this one, person ID we got, right? Person ID we got. So when you create the person, right, it will create two records in the person names table. So one is name type global and another one is US. So because we have created the US legal entity, that is the reason is showing user one, user two, and this one. So we need to ask the client, like we need to get the data for the global level or legal entity level. So if the client say that legal entity level, then you have to hard code this value, name type equal to US, name type equal to global. So now what you will do here, display name. So we need to take the display name. Take this display name. Take this display name. ppnf ppnf dot display name. ppnf dot display name. This is from where. Tell me, guys, what is the giants we need to use?
Person ID.
pp dot person underscore id equal to ppnf dot person underscore id.
And the name type user.
And name type equal to this logic your client will tell name type global or legal entity level. So run this query, guys. Run this query.
Name underscore type.
Name underscore type. So you go like this and full query. You can mention full query. Let's see.
From comma Vamshi. From Parral underscore yes. BAPF dash.
So we are getting the person numbers and display names. And we will pass the person number as a parameter also. And person number will pass the parameter. People here, comma right. And we'll pass the parameter person number right. ppnf dot person number equal to NVL of p person number comma person number. Person number will use this one. Okay. So we got the person number and display name. And what is the next we need to get? Image, right? Person image we have to get or not? The person image will be there, right? So we got the data, person number and person image. But what about person image? We need to get the person image, right? Let's verify this person ID. This person ID. We have a data in the image table or not? So you go to the another SQL query. This is the way you have to write the query, guys. Images. Same. So you search here, select start from underscore image table. So there is a person image. There is a table called person images. Person images. So person images. What is the common column? Definitely common column will be there, right?
Person ID.
Person ID definitely will be there. Person ID. So now what you will do? You will write like this: where person underscore ID equal to. So whatever you got the person ID, right? Pass the person ID like this. So data will come or not? Tell me guys now. The person image table. If I pass the person ID like this, data will come or not?
No.
Data will not come. That is correct. Data will not be there. So why data will not be there, guys? Anyone can tell answer?
You have not
Image
added
not
the
uploaded.
data.
Correct. We have not uploaded. We have not uploaded any image for the person table. So now what we will do? Let's go to here. We will upload the one simple image. Go here. So there is a change photo. Choose file. Simple image we can take. Just something like that. And just something, some name. Save on. So immediately it will not reflect, but you just here and go on there, it will come. So maybe we need to search the table now. Search the table. See, coming or not? Hello.
Yes, Vamshi.
But here also it is coming 2 records. Okay, I think we need to join, right? Person ID 2. Okay. So this image is coming different format, right? So this image is coming, but it is coming different format. Image coming different format. Some kind of junk data coming, right? But we can convert this image to readable format. So this image we can convert to readable format. So before we go to that level. So now tell me guys what query. So tell me the query. So, per underscore images. Yeah. Yeah. Dot person underscore id equal to apm dot person id. We can do one more change. ai dot person id equal to ppnf dot now run this one. Fill query. Okay, let's go.
Select image.
Huh? What happened?
Select image. Select
Image.
The select image
Okay,
not given.
Okay.
full query.
Display name. Image
AI dot
name.
image.
AI dot image. But still it is coming to records. The image table to records coming.
This is also one for global and one for legal entity like that.
Yeah, I'm checking that also. Person ID. Okay. Primary flag. Primary flag both should be right. Primary flag is there, no?
Yeah, why we can consider maybe.
So we can consider and primary
AI dot
underscore AI dot primary flag equal to right.
AI dot image.
AI dot image. Okay, now Coming right? So this is what we are expecting, the data. But the but photo not coming here, but that's not a problem. We will convert this image to readable format. The main part is done, guys. Full query. Now you can ask me any questions, guys.
Actually, the primary flag equals to y for two records, right? Since we were getting two records.
Yeah, that is the reason I am making like this. Because in the per images table, so there is other record which is there, that is n is there, but we are not going to validate that one. So take the primary flag equal to y. So at this moment, any question you can ask me is query level R. And we will convert that image to readable format in the RTF level. We'll convert that image to readable format in the RTF level. Okay. Here
Okay, without hard coding the person number, if we want the latest updated one, latest records.
where we are hard coding the person number.
This person number we are giving right in parameter. Instead of that, if we want the latest records of the bit.
Latest record means you check the condition, date condition you can add here. Date condition you can add. So that how many images having that person, that records will come. The date condition we will see to next example.
వంశీ ఒకసారి అవుట్పుట్ చూపించారా వంశీ? ఓకే వంశీ.
Actually, this we have to consider. So this is only whatever I mentioned, images, person name, this and all, just for validating the joins. I will remove this. Then others. So you rename this one. Person images. Save the changes. Person images. Data model. Save the changes. So if I pass the null, all data. If I pass the value, the related record will come. Now what we will do here, save, save, save as sample data. Save as sample data. Export. Export. reports. So now create the RTF template. First, what we will do, person images. Just person images. So what you will do here, sample XML and pass the parameter here. Person number. All fields. Save as. Person images. RTF. Save the changes and check the preview. So still it is coming like that, right? So next class we'll see how to convert this image to readable format. How to convert this image to readable format.